Cheap scotch. Rainy day. Trying to clean the bike. What do you think? Should I go and clean the tires? Will they be cleaned properly? Will I get it done? We'll see. Probably not, because it's a rainy day. And I don't have any energy today. Hey, how's everybody doing today? I'm starting this slightly differently. The reason why is I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup on the bike. And I know these don't always go over well because some people just don't like that people show their way of cleaning. I'm not telling you to clean the way I do. I'm not suggesting you use the products I use. But it's something I do. I just figured I would share it. If you like, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button. Give me a comment. Everybody does it differently. I would much prefer to have a different rear tire. Reason why, not the tire, but the wheel. Reason why is the aluminum, because it has no coating or anything on it. It gets nasty. Here, let me show you. It gets nasty. So I have to use all kinds of stuff on it. Now, what I use, I have all the stuff back here. I moved the deep freeze out here so it's a little easier. But Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This stuff does a great job. What I do, I spray it, I use this, boom, scrub it a little bit, it's clean. It takes about 5-10 minutes. Well, I'm not going to show the whole thing, but I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think. Thank you. It's a little misty out today, so I might get my card out. Give it a good thorough spray. Make sure you hit everything. Now that's going to sit for a minute. I'm going to do the other side of it right back. So you spray it, let it sit for a minute. Now I do mean just a minute, but it doesn't have to sit long. Now I showed you one of my brushes. This is my other brush. This is just to get it in there. I know a lot of people do this probably every time they ride, but I'm sorry, I get home late, tired, I let it go. I'm do the other side, I'll break it. So as you can see, it's been wiped down. That's not much. Start to sprinkle again, great. But then I get the other brush. And this is where you're getting in there. Now, I'm never going to get this back as shiny as it was. Now, if I sit down and do it, it will. But, so I shine it a little bit, or scrape it a little bit, I should say. And it starts coming off. The more you spray on, the more you can take off. As I said, it's not necessarily the greatest, but you do it a couple of times, it's going to be nice and clean back the way it was. I know this is probably a boring one, sorry, but we all got to clean our bikes from time to time. I ride mine almost every day. I get tired. I usually don't get home till 6 or 7. And I try and get these things out at least twice a week. Guys, you have a great day. I've got to really get into this, and I don't want to bore you to death.